it is hard not to dream of owning one of the industry's best Class C RVs. From spacious floor plans to ease of use, a Class C RV is a compelling choice for road trippers and those who love the outdoors. If you want an affordable motorhome with all the facilities you need, getting the best Class C RV is going to be the right call. Since Class C motorhomes are built on a van or truck chassis, they handle much like a large SUV or pickup truck rather than a bus. For many people, this makes it more relaxing to drive than a Class A. This is an important consideration if you plan on touring the country in your RV. It is suitable for casual outings. Where taking a Class A out can seem like an event, a Class C is small enough to serve a multitude of purposes. A Class C RV is a distinct type of motorhome that is characterized by its over-the-cab bed and storage. Built with a cab or cutaway chassis, the best Class C motorhome will deliver you with immense comfort and brilliant travel capabilities. So, to help you get the most out of your next trip, we found 5 of the best Class C motorhomes in 2022.
Hello there, we are the Top of Zone. We are a bunch of researcher and tester. We test, analyze, research new product, and create a list of top 5 best products based on price, quality, features, and user feedback. We also provide upcoming and innovative products ideas so the viewer may know about the products. Our goal is to create the proper shopping guide so the viewer can make their proper decision.
Jayco's compact diesel-powered Class C from Melbourne Prestige enables you to travel with your family for fast and long adventures. It is one of the best Class C RVs because of its spacious living room and superb fuel economy. This motorhome delivers a 170-inch wheelbase Mercedes-Benz 3500 chassis and a V6 turbo diesel engine that allows you to easily drive 188 horsepower around the city and open motorway. The customer value package, which adds extra luxurious features such as automotive bonded, front cap panoramic window with proper shade, the geared armless patio awning with LED light strip, the Truma Aqua Gold Comfort Plus tankless water heater. It uses the top quality materials and innovative construction techniques with the Stronghold VBL vacuum bonded laminated roof, floor and sidewalls and the premium Seconds full body paint. It sits on the chassis of a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, meaning it runs on diesel and can only tow up to 5,000 pounds. Its Murphy bed delivers versatile living by giving you a queen bed to sleep on at night and a sofa to sit on during the day. And the cab over bunk has a 750 pounds capacity, and the boot dinette can be used as an extra sleeping space if another guest wants to join in on the fun. Its home-style bathroom is characterized by a light laminate counter, a glass door shower with a skylight and a lot of storage. The galley kitchenette is compact and simple, featuring a flush-up countertop extension, an 8 cubic feet gas or electric refrigerator, a 2-burner flush-coated cooktop, a convection microwave, a pull-out sink sprayer, and a multifunctional wooden sink covering or chopping board. All seating spaces have safety belts, pleated blackout shades, and an elegant window valances. This RV features a driver and a passenger seat, a heated side view mirror remote control, a rear backup camera and monitor. Overall, it's an amazing choice for a motorhome with usable layouts and all of the necessary equipment at a more affordable price. The Entegra Accolade 37K is a massive motorhome that is expertly designed. It is approximately 39 feet and 4 inches in length and features 2 slide-out rooms. King-size bed, cab-over loft, Freightliner S2 RV chassis, and Cummins 6.7-liter ISB diesel engine with 360 horsepower. This great RV features the customer value package, which adds a 2000-watt inverter, backup and side view cameras with monitors, convection microwave, roof-mounted awning electric power car grill, frameless windows, residential refrigerator, aqua hot in-floor heat, an easy drive premier package that delivers the superior ride and handling experience travelers have come to expect from this motorhome. It also boasts an attractive list of standard features, adding a one-piece fiberglass front cap, full pass-through storage compartments with lockable latch doors, solid surface countertops with decorative backsplash, water filtration system, variable geometry engine exhaust brake, Michelin 275 ADR 22.5 14-ply tires with Alcoa aluminum rims, Elision 3000 mH automatic transmission, tough shell vacuum bound laminated floor and sidewalls, dual 15,000 BTU AC unit with heat pumps, Thetford Sanicon turbo macerator system, Onan 8000 watt diesel generator with auto-gen start. Also another great feature, a roof-mounted Girard Nova 2 dual-pitch patio awning with LED lights, 9 inches Sony infotainment center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's a lot of storage space in the bedroom as well as a TV and an optional stacked washer or dryer. On the rear wall is an attached bathroom. This setup makes it simple for the room's occupants to get ready for the day without leaving the sanctuary of their master suite. All in all, the Accolade is fun to drive, and at the end of the day, there is a nice motorhome to walk back into and call home. Tiffin is another superb manufacturer of motorhomes. The Wayfarer 25SW is the best rated Class C RV for those looking for something that looks great. This is a highly customizable model, so customers can choose the furniture, decor, and amenities they would like to include. The main bedroom sits at the rear. A slide out on the very back wall extends outward and holds part of the queen-size bed. This motorhome also features a split bathroom. One wall hosts a small half bath with a toilet, sink, and a few small cabinets. The second slide out in this floor plan holds a single item of furniture. With this motorhome, you'll enjoy the ride as much as the destination with the ergonomic heated seats, the 10.25 inches Mercedes-Benz user experience multimedia system with in-dash navigation, as well as the Mercedes chassis and turbo diesel engine delivering high performance. The interior provides plenty of storage for clothing, linens, and such as LED reading lights, inverted outlets in the bedroom for a CPAP machine, kitchen over and under the counter lighting, plus more. It features the customer value package, which includes a Spider multiplex system, standard 3.2 kilowatt diesel generator, standard hydraulic leveling system, and 2000 watt inverter pure sine. It also boasts a great list of standard features including a one-piece fiberglass roof, standard full body paint, 16-feet Girard power awning speakers, Sumo Springs ride assist system. Overall, you'll really like this Tiffin Wayfarer 25SW because its layout, quality, and features will make for a comfortable and enjoyable RV experience. The Greyhawk Prestige 29 MVP is a spacious and well-designed vehicle that has earned its place on our list. The Class C RV is the go-to motorhome for traveling with an extended family as it can accommodate 7 to 10 passengers. It is 32 feet 6 inches long and provides a whole lot of space to spread out. It is equipped with a cozy queen-size bed located in the master bedroom as well as a darkening roller window, making sure you stay comfortable and fresh after a fun-filled adventurous day. It also features 2 slide-outs that offer more space in the living room or kitchen and bedroom areas. And the kitchen has a Farion all-in-one cooktop and oven, a residential microwave, an 8 cubic foot flush mount, double-door refrigerator, an LED lit countertops, and the large slide is what gives the kitchen its space. Beginning with the 7.3-liter V8 350 HP engine, this motorhome is full of power, and you'll find extreme agility and stability in the J-Ride Plus, which adds a computer-balanced drive shaft, Koni FSD shocks, and Hellwig helper springs. Also, the fiberglass exterior has vinyl graphics, a one-piece seamless front cap, and a one-piece fiberglass roof. Included a Girard tankless water heater that will deliver you with lots of hot water, and a 190-watt solar panel with dual controller and second house battery can provide you power. This motorhome also features a split bathroom design with a toilet and sink in one compartment and a shower in a separate one. However, you can find everything in this Greyhawk Prestige 29 MVP motorhome with additional features. If you're looking for a Class C RV with quality components and top-class features, look no further than the Coachmen Freelander. You'll find that you have everything you need to be comfortable in this motorhome. to make it more convenient, weatherproof and lightweight. It is constructed with rot-resistant aluminum framing. This Comfort Ride Premier adds spill-stained front shocks, electronic stability control, heavy-duty front and rear stabilizer bars, and more for a smooth drive each time. The 2 slides will keep it feeling spacious and roomy with comfortable seating for everyone on the sofa or J-Lounge dinette, which includes an 18 inches extension. This motorhome simply sleeps 8 people with the help of the rear queen-size bed and the 57 by 95 inches bunk over the cab. Moreover, it features Astell composite sidewall substrate and a fiberglass exterior to keep the entire structure lightweight. You'll find many other exterior conveniences, such as the exterior LP Quick Connect, the exterior LED tail lights and marker lights, plus the steel entry step well with an integrated coach battery storage. Another thing that makes Coachmen Freelander stand out is the awesome capacity of the freshwater tank, which can hold 50 gallons and the black tank can hold 31 gallons. Plus, this motorhome has a 30 amp power cord, 55 amp electronic converter, auxiliary house battery, and auto generator changeover. Finally, perfect for regular travelers, this motorhome will be the right choice for a smooth ride.
Thanks for watching this video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you have found this video helpful. Subscribe our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.